Hello students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss the physical sciences chemistry syllabus of 10th class for the year 2021 and 22. For this academic year, chemistry syllabus is chemical equations. Here in our textbook, physics lessons are also present, including chemistry lessons. Here I am discussing the chemistry part. So second chapter is a chemical equation. Next, third chapter is acids, bases and salt. Sixth chapter in our textbook is structure of atom. Seventh chapter is classification of elements and periodic table. 11th chapter is principle of metallurgy. Students, the remaining topics are belongs to physics chapters. Okay students. So in our 10th class, the first chapter in chemistry is chemical equations. So what is mean by chemical equation? Students, all of you we learnt in 9th standard atoms and molecule and what is inside atom. In that lessons already we discussed the chemical reactions and the types of chemical reactions. So in this SSC in chemical equations we are discussing so many different examples of chemical equations. What is chemical reaction? How can we represent the chemical equation? What are the types of reactions? What is endothermic reaction? What is exothermic reaction? What are the photochemical reactions? And mole concept. Already we discussed in the 9th standard mole concept. So related to the problems on mole concepts. So in chemical equations we are discussing mainly chemical equations, endothermic and exothermic reactions, photochemical reactions, examples of photochemical reactions, and the mole concept, representation of a chemical equation, and mainly the balancing of equation, balance a chemical equation. So this one is very important in examination point of view. In your examination 4 equations are given, simply balance a chemical equation. Okay students, balancing a chemical equation is very important. And also related problems on mole concept. So this is the subtopics. These are the subtopics present in a chemical equations. Okay students. Now let us see the acids, bases and salt. Acids, bases and salt. In acids and bases, the chemical properties of acids and bases. What is acid? What is base? Chemical reactions or chemical properties of acids, bases, and the types of salts. What is the pH or pH scale? What are the applications of pH in our daily life? And some important compounds, important substances which are used in our daily life. For example, bleaching powder, washing soda, baking soda, plaster of Paris, sodium chloride. So these are the important compounds which are discussed in acids, bases and salt. Let us see the proper acid. What is meant by acid? What is meant by base? And what are salts? And properties, chemical properties of acids and bases, pH scale, applications in our daily life of pH, applications of pH in our daily life, important compounds used in our daily life, such as bleaching powder, washing soda, baking soda, plaster of Paris, sodium chloride, and the water of crystallization. So these are the subtopics in acids, bases and salts. Okay students, now let us see the structure of atom. So in 9th standard we discussed the atoms and molecules and what is inside atom, Rutherford atomic model, J.J. Thomson atomic model, Niels Bohr atomic model. So in the 10th class, in structure of atom, we are discussing the orbital, shapes of orbitals, important postulates of Bohr atomic model, important postulates of Bohr atomic model, principles of Bohr, Pauli, Hund's rule, and NLX method, representation of electronic configuration, EC means electronic configuration, representation of electronic configuration, electromagnetic waves. What are electromagnetic waves? What are the characteristics of electromagnetic waves? Wavelength, frequency, velocity. Okay students, and emission and absorption spectrum. So in this structure of atom, we are going to discuss the orbital. What is the orbit? Orbitals, shapes of orbitals, important postulates of Bohr atomic model, principles of Bohr principle, Pauli principle, Hund's rule, NLX method, and another important concept is quantum numbers. And electromagnetic waves. Here what is spectrum, emission spectrum, absorption spectrum, characteristics of electromagnetic waves. Okay students, so in the next lesson, classification of elements and periodic table. So in this chapter, what is element? At present, how many elements are present? What is the necessary to classify the elements? There are some rules, Newland's law of octaves, Dauberny triad, some laws, Mendeleev periodic law, Moseley periodic law, modern periodic law, and the classification of the elements based on the blocks, S block, P block, D block and F block, and their properties of the elements. There are various properties just like atomic radius, ionization potential, electron affinity, electronegativity, electropositivity, electron affinity, electropositivity, valency, metallic nature, nature of oxides. So all these are the properties and the classification of the elements. So in this chapter, classification of the element, and the second part is properties of the elements. See, classification of elements, classification of elements, Daubernier law of triad, Newland's law of octaves, Newland's law of octaves, some periodic laws, Mendeleev, Moseley, modern periodic law, Moseley and modern periodic law. Next one, classification of elements based on S, P, D and F blocks. Periodic properties, atomic radius, ionization potential, electron affinity, negativity, electropositivity, valency, metallic nature, non-metallic nature, nature of oxides, acidic oxide, basic oxide. So all these are discussed in classification of elements and periodic table. Okay, students. So next one is principles of metallurgy. In principles of metallurgy, what is meant by metallurgy? What are the metals? What is the ore? What is the mineral? What are the impurities? And the separation of the purification of the methods, purification of the metal from different or various steps are involved in the extraction of metals. Let us see. Metals, metallurgy, ore, mineral. Here the impurities. Impurities, nothing but they are called as gangue particles, and the extraction of metals from ore particles. Mainly in this chapter we discuss the extraction of metals from their ore particles. Extraction of metals from their ore particles. There are three steps. One is concentration of ore, and the second one is extraction of crude metal, and the third one is refining of crude metal or refining of metals. And furnaces. In furnaces, one is reverberatory furnace. Another one is blast furnace. So these are the subtopics in principles of metallurgy. Mainly the extraction of the metals from their ore particles. We follow the different steps: the concentration of ore, extraction of crude metal, and third one is refining of crude metal. And after that, furnaces, reverberatory furnace and blast furnace. So these are the syllabus of 10th class of chemistry syllabus. Here it is a part of a physical science of 10th class. So remaining topics belongs to physics lessons or physics chapters. Now I am dealing the chemistry part. Chemical equations, acids and bases, salts, structure of atom, classification of elements and periodic table, and the principles of metallurgy. Okay students, this is the syllabus of 10th class. Thank you students.